Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a plastic bottle and cut out the leaf-like shape from it and then heat it to melt it. Now you have to paste the petals on the sides of the bottle top like this and fix it. Put a fairy light inside it and it's done. Next, you have to take a string, roll it like this and then paste it on the sides of the plastic bottle and then on the top in the same manner. Now put the jute threads by rolling it like this and put it. Now after that, we have to roll it like this. Now we have to put it round like this and then hang it and it's done. Next, take a straw and cut it into frills like this. Now put the double-sided tape and then roll it with the help of the stick like this. Keep rolling it as shown in the video. Now take the straw and put it on the sides of it like this and make the leaf-like shapes and your lavender is ready. Next, take the plastic bottle and paste the ice cream sticks on the sides of it. Now cut it from the top and make a heart shape like this and put it on the sides of it to make a proper flower. Decorate it like this and it's done. Next, we have to take a plastic cup and then you have to put the jute thread on the sides of it. Now make the patterns and designs by putting it like this. Now tie the knots like shape and then put it on the top and then roll it. Now after that, take a stick and then fold it like this and it's done. Next, we have to take a straw and then we have to fold it like this. We have to fold it from the sides and cut it like this. Now spread it and then we have to flatten it. Now we have to take a yellow color straw and put it like this. Put the purple color flower petals like this on the sides. Take a green color straw and then we have to put it like this and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a plastic cup and then we have to paste the frills or just cut it first and make the frills and then spread it. Now take a stick and roll the pink color pipe cleaners over it like this and use different colors to make the flowers and it's done. Next, take a straw, cut it like this from the top, make few more as such and then paste the green stick like this in the between of the petals of the flowers. Now we have to make the leaves like this, roll it and make some leaves and it's done. Next, we have to take the straw, make the frills on it like this and cut it. Cut it from the between like this. Now make the cuts from the sides and then make the frills. Now we have to roll it from the top like this. Now take a green color leaf and cut it like this. Now spread it. Put it like this and it's done. Next, we have to take a white color straw. Now we have to roll it or just flatten its straw like this. Now make the frills, take a green color stick and fix it like this. Put the petals like this one by one. Now take a green color straw and make the leaves of it and it's done. Next, we have to take a pink color straw, roll it like this with the help of a thread and put it. Now we have to fix it one by one. Cut it from the top like this. Take a yellow color straw and then roll it like this. Now take a green color straw, fold it like this. Make the flowers, put the leaves and it's done. Next, we have to take a yellow color straw, roll it like this. Now we have to fold it and make the petal like shape. Now fix it in the stick one by one like this. Now take a green color straw, cut it from the between and give it a shape of the leaves and paste it and it's done. Thanks for watching.